Me and Vlad, we were just chilling at work and I'm going on my phone and I'm going, oh, Dan's Auto Service has just posted a story that they're at Snetterton.
Well, we have made it to Snetterton. The boys are out on the sighting laps and we have just got the last bit of sunshine.
They're in our race series. Why don't we just come and pull up and see what it's about? So we've come here, we've just actually driven past them and I can see that the bonnet's up on the car that they're in today. So maybe it's not great news. Let's go and pull up, see what it's about. Maybe we can bug him, see what his driving skills are about. Maybe he can give us some tips for the day. Who knows? Let's go and find out. It looks like they've got a Radical in there. M3s, M4s, M2s, normal, 140s. I wonder how many of them are going to crash today because it's slightly wet. MR2, I would be surprised if that's not already spun out. All right, the bonnet is still up on the Dan's E90. Let's go and have a look. Okay, so we've popped over to see the Dan's now. As I mentioned when we came over, the bonnet was up. If we take a look over here quickly, let's have a... He's just fitting a new hose as the old one had a bit of a whoopsie. So that was why they had the bonnet up and a shitload of steam was coming out. Turns out that wasn't the only problem because apparently, mate, he doesn't like the brakes. But all of a sudden, he has no brakes. As Dan's going to show us here, look.
He reckons there's 2 laps and he wants them put back in, Owen.
Do you know what? I think maybe this one we could do because then you'll save a brake pad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Brake pad lives matter, don't they?
Absolutely, yeah. BLM. What's this side saying? Is it okay?
Do you know what?
It's pretty close.
They've worn pretty evenly, ain't they? Did the light come on the dash?
No.
Well, I can imagine it's not the only light on the dash, though, is it?
There's a lot of lights on the dash. It's got a few emission control devices going on.
Oh, okay, yep.
So we won't say no more, will we?
No. Otherwise, people will be upset. But yeah, we're here. They've got the car up on the jacks at the minute. Hopefully, we'll get to see him do a couple of laps. Maybe take Vlad out because Vlad's.
Yes. Why are you shaking your head, Vlad?
He's like, no. He's like, no, I don't like this.
What's wrong with him?
He hates it.
You'll be absolutely fine.
I reckon we get him in the car, get him strapped up.
And the great thing is he won't understand a word the guy's saying to him. So it's even better. It'd be full chaos. Full chaos.
There you go, Vlad's in the car first.
Brakes are for quitters. I told you before.
Vlad's looking forward to it. Vlad's looking forward.
You got to take
Vlad. Rouge, and I said, brakes. He's like, you don't use the brakes. Brakes
don't
are
use
for
the brakes.
quitters.
Yeah, and then we didn't use the brakes, and guess what happened? Was we all 4 wheels off the floor?
Oh, yeah.
I think we were, weren't we? And then I went, oh, maybe we need a little bit of brakes.
He doesn't even use the tracker Rouge, does he?
No.
He's off.
He's off. Full
He's
off.
paid for the whole circuit. You may as well use the whole circuit, right?
See? He knows. He gets it.
The grass is for the animals, not at all.
The grass is for the animals.
I paid for the grass as well. I want to use it.
Cool, I tell you what, I think Mr. MSV, when he sees your video of you going through all the grass.
Oh, yeah. While we've got Dan here, and this is a race car he's prepping, obviously you have another race car to be prepping for the race series. How are you getting on with that?
We're getting on. It looks bad. You know, I can't wait to unveil it to you guys because I think you're going to literally look at it and go, he's got literally 0 chance of it ever running. You know, it's running on 3 cylinders. It's got no fuel pressure, but it's a Honda.
It'll run.
So as soon as I give it all it needs, it will work.
Which is like 9,000 RPM and then it'll be fine.
Yeah, so it will work. So the plan is we're going to unveil it to you guys. It's got it is literally like a shell with an engine. Okay. We'll unveil it to you in the next couple of days and then we'll see what we've got. But I think people will laugh when they see it. It's like, you know, like people build these like rat cars.
Yeah.
It looks a bit ratty. So
hey, as long as it makes its way around the track, that's all that matters, right?
Yeah, I think it's going to be a laugh, and there's loads of people, everyone keeps asking about it. Yeah. When are we doing it? Who's doing what? Yeah. So it'll be fantastic. But I don't fancy my chances against your car with what you got going on.
Yeah, I'm hoping to get it all wrapped up. Well, all the parts are coming in soon, so hopefully we can get the ball rolling. Me and Vlad got a little bit of time now, so we can just crack on and.
I think you stripped the engine down now.
Yeah, engine stripped down. That's fucked. So we found out the car it come out of has done 200,000 miles. Heads warped, blocks warped, I can use it. The engineer is going to straighten the block. They're going to rehone
The bores.
Going to rehone the bores.
Yeah.
They're also going to, when I got the new camshafts, because I'm upgrading them as well, they're going to get them in, see how they sit. They might have to centre line and reamer the cam journals as well.
It's sort of, you didn't need it though, do you?
And
know
it's
when you
all,
just like,
fuck it. It's like, just take it. Like, I've got no option now. I'm involved. So I've committed. I've said to everybody that I've committed, and I've got to fucking do it. And I can't.
Well,
go
I
back.
said the same thing to Dan. Even that night after you said about it, I was like, Dan, you do realise, you know, we're financially ruined now. I said, because I know what's going to happen. I'm going to be like, right, we need this, isn't this? And it's going to be like saying out of Fast and Furious, where it all just turns up, and then we've got to build it.
Yeah, it's just a constant list. I mean, I worked my way through the list the other day. I think I'm at like £12,000-13,000, including the car. It makes me want to cry, really. But yeah, it's going to be a really good day. I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully we get a decent track, and then we can let everybody know, start advertising, and just, get everybody involved. Food vendors, track day people that want to come out and drive their car with us. So yeah, it should be a really good day.
I think there's going to be some interesting cars,
I think so too.
You're going to get the people who are going to take it absolutely dead serious, and they're like, I have to win at all costs. And then you're going to get a few people that just want to have a laugh. Yeah. Full send and see what happens.
Yeah, I sit somewhere in the middle. I hate losing, but I just want to have a laugh. I want to have a good time with all the people that turn up and drive with us, and just have fun and make a really, really good day out of it, I think. And that's the goal. That's what we want to do. But yeah, glad to hear your car is I
can't wait to unveil it to you guys. You're going to laugh. I'm sure it's seen quite a few tyre barriers in its life.
Oh, really?
Everything's got gaffer tape, cable ties. It looks sore. It looks like it's had a hard life.
Well, it's about to get even harder, isn't it?
I was just going to say that.
About to get even harder. There we have it. So yeah, we'll
watch this.
Can't wait to see the car unveiled. We are on the way home. They did just manage to get the car fixed. They've just gone back out, but it has started pissing it down with rain. So me and Vlad, we've jumped in the car and we're going home, because when a guy's been nicknamed the crazy one, he's probably not the guy to go out with in the rain. Brand new brakes, we're saying bed him in. He's going, nah, fuck that, brakes are for quitters. So yeah, we're back in the comfort of our Merc, and we'll drive back to the workshop, and we'll see what happens. But yes, cannot wait to have them in the race video. It sounds like they're going to be unveiling their car soon, and it sounds like it is an absolute shitbox. Can't wait to see it. So yeah, should be good. Okay, so we're back from the Dans and their mishap with their BMW. Now let's see how Gytis is getting on with his losing car.
Hello my people, good day. So Renault is in again. We're starting modifications. What we start with, cooling systems. So we're going to install the fresh cooling flexi pipe, the silicone ones. We're going to install bigger radiator, more efficient, polish the lights, wrap them, install the oil cooler. Probably that's it for this week. These clips will be replaced. Some shitty clips. Kurwa, let's lift it. Yeah, we'll need to do the CV boots as well.
Do you think you'll need to use this?
Yeah, to pull someone out. Easy, tiger. This is a fucking radiator. Look at the state of the radiator. So that's why we're upgrading. Shit's nasty, shit's might be clogged. Now we're taking off the headlights. All the bolts rusty, but coming off, not like regular Japanese rubbish. Xenon lights, 2003. We need to take off radiator, yeah, somehow. Probably coming off this thing and pulls out. I think I need to take off the battery. No, need to take this off. Yes, I was thinking, order or not to order radiator, order or not. Definitely good decision.
crash sensor.
It's not connected, but it's interesting. What is this?
It is connected. Yeah.
But why is this here? It's probably for AC disconnector. I need some bucket where I can drain. I'm asking you, do you like it? What's wrong with this?
Nothing. There's nothing wrong with it.
So what's your cup of tea?
What's my cup of tea?
What you would choose for a race car? Cheap race car. Fuck, get out of here. Yes, bro. I think that's it for today. Tomorrow or today, I will get delivered my coolant lines. Yeah, the radiator as well coming.
The next day.
Thermostat and spark plugs happening. Intake manifold removing. Long time. Here actually I need to put oil catch can. But the engine is clean, eh? No oil leaks, nothing. Not very tight. These motherfuckers put grease on it or something. They're quite fresh.
Yeah, it's really cool that they have the ports facing up. Anything you drop goes straight in.
Look. Where you going, kurwa? Don't go anywhere. No torque wrench needed. Let's see if I have in the boot new leads and that coil pack. Injectors. Ignition coil, cambiare. Probably French. Freshen up, guys, freshen up. This one will be saved as a spare. Maybe break down one day. So this will go for cleaning. The new thermostat is here. Probably get the new ones. Jubilee clips. This is for expansion tank, which sits here. We got 26. We need that size. 2 Jubilee clips.
Tuning.
All cooling system coming new.
What made you go yellow?
Will be red car, yellow, small things, and green underglow. Lithuanian flag.
Oh, yeah, you've got yellow seatbelts, I suppose. When's the gearbox coming out?
It's probably next thing when I'm finished with the front. The radiator is coming, the lights will be polished, they will be wrapped in yellow, K&N filter. Then we booking Silverstone. They have this. It should not. Like a
Got
hole.
this one. Where's that go?
Yeah. They just connected together.
What, them two, these two, are they?
Yeah.
Is that the point where they connect together?
They,
But they're
they
not.
just a rubber, yeah?
Yeah.
Just connects together. But here, it's... what
Maybe-
should
maybe
I
there's, like,
cut?
different options. I was going to say I would cut it down
Cut
slightly.
it and have a...
I'd put a bolt in. You got blanks?
It's not a blank, it's a...
Yeah, I'd do that then, yeah. I'd join them then.
Yeah, just join them.
Yeah.
We got performance radiator, just unboxed, lights been polished and wrapped. Racing brake fluid will be filled up. Let's try plug in one light, see how it looks. Yeah. And now let's put that battery. Connect battery. It's not looking bad. I'm thinking to make some plates here, metal, and just slide in here. Renault is at this point where all the coolant system is upgraded. Fan and radiator is ready to fit, but we removed the subframe because we are ready to take off the gearbox for inspection, changing clutch and fitting the limited slip diff. So that's why radiator is not actually in, because it sits on subframe. So we'll see that in next episode.